It all began with a bullet.
Not so. It began with a prayer.
No, no, no. It all began with a dream.
The Jesuits, in the first 200 years of their existence, were a flourishing band of men, a new breed of church people who blended holiness with intellectual striving. They strove to take the gospel message to the outposts. Immersion in the world was intrinsic to their calling. In the 16th and 17th centuries especially, they were a formidable force in the service of the church. But the Jesuits also found themselves on the wrong side of history. They made many enemies. They were hated by a section of the nobility, Jansenists, Galliganists, proponents of the Enlightenment period in Rome, and others too. Of course, the Jesuits had their own failings as well. These and other reasons led to the society being suppressed the world over by Pope Clement XIV on 21st July 1773 by the papal brief Dominus ac Redemptor. More than 22,000 Jesuits found themselves totally cut off from the vocation they so dearly loved. It was only 41 years later that Pope Pius VII, in the presence of 150-odd Jesuits of the old society and other friends and benefactors, reinstated the Sons of Ignatius to carry on the work it initially set out to do. Opinions in certain corners have it that the restored society under General Ruthan arose with greater vigor and zeal, yet with certain attitudes of consolidation, restructuring, reinstitutionalizing, conformity, stability. It would be good to check 200 years later. Have we got so institutionalized and stabilized as to have lost our initial charism, which was to be on the move, to be in a way insecure, to be willing to change, to be willing to discern what new is needed in the world? The event of the Restoration is an invitation. not just to go back to the historical event of the Restoration, but to go back to the foundational experience of our founder St. Ignatius. In the same breath, we can recheck, what was my foundational experience as a Jesuit? Why did the Lord choose me to be part of this least society? And what is He asking of me today? What am I being called to change in my life and to restore in the way I live as a Jesuit?